The main feature of this version is parameter help. V3S now provides parameter information for functions, procedures, protected types, and instances. The help is shown automatically while you type, and you can even scroll through a list of overloads wherever appropriate. V3S is now also capable of identifying unused signals and variables. As soon as the symbols are referenced somewhere in the design, the warning markers disappear. V3S separately checks whether symbols are written to, or read from. Code folding has been enhanced and now also supports if, then, else, as well as case blocks. The expression evaluator has been extended to support string resolution and concatenation. Great effort has also been put into the resolution of access types and alias symbols, as can be seen in this example.